In a small mountain village, there lived a young girl named Mira. She lived with her father in a tiny wooden cabin. Her father worked long hours carving wood to earn just enough for food and firewood. Christmas was near, but there was no money for decoration, lights, or ornaments. Still, Mira believed that Christmas should feel special even if it did not look fancy. One morning, after a quiet snowfall, Mira put on her worn boots and stepped outside. She carried a small basket and walked in the forest behind her home. The forest was silent, and if the world was holding its breath, snow covered the branches, soft and white like nature's own blanket, and there, beneath the old pine trees, she found pine cones. But these pine cones were different. They were covered with a delicate dusting of snow and frost, sparkling like tiny winter stars. Mira gently placed the pine cone in her basket, each one choosing with love, not perfection. When she returned home, her father looked tired, but when he saw the basket, his eyes softened. Together they worked by the fireplace. They cleaned each pine cone carefully. They tied simple pieces of twine around them. They added tiny touches of white paint just softly at the tips to keep the look of winter frost. As they finished, Mira placed them into an old wooden crate her father once used for storing tools. They did not call it a crate anymore. They did not call it a crate anymore. They called it the Christmas crate of blessing. They placed the crate in the center of their table. The flickering light of the fire made the pine cone glow as if they were alive. When neighbors come to visit, they paused because there was something magical there, something humble, pure, and full of heart. One neighbor said, Mira, your decorations look more beautiful than any store. They look like Christmas what was made by love, not money. Mira smiled because that was exactly what she believed. And that year the villagers learned something important. Christmas is not just made with what we buy. Christmas grows from what we create together. Pinecone teach us beauty can be simple. The heart is more powerful than the wallet. Nature is a generous teacher if we slow down and pay attention. And the pinecone creates simple wood. Simple pine cones becomes a simple symbol of gratitude, warmth, and togetherness. To create your own Christmas pine cone, you will need a small wooden cardboard or box, new or recycled. Cut it round shape, pine cone clean and dry it, twine rope or ribbon optional, white paint or glitter, add a warm heart. Paint or leave the pine cone natural. Both look beautiful. Fill with your cardboard in round shape and add with pine cones. Tie small ribbons or twine to a few pine cone or for texture and charm. Add tiny lights if you want a soft magical glow. Place the pine cone or the board or a jute craft made cardboard in round shape near the fireplace or by your window. This wreath is not just decor, it's a reminder. Christmas lives in what we create with love. So this year, when you see pinecone, don't walk past it. Hold it gently, see it design, it patience, it quiet beauty. Remember the girl with the snowy basket and the crate filled with simple miracles. Christmas is not loud. Christmas is soft, is slow, made visible. Thank you for listening. May your home be warm, may your heart be full, and may your Christmas be display deeply blessed. Christmas is a season of warmth, not because of the fire in the fireplace, but because of the love we share, the memories we hold, and the kindness we give. And sometimes the most meaningful decoration are the simplest ones, like pine cones, jute craft, nature gives nature's little gifts, carrying a story's life, patience, and hope. I told you a story about little girl Mira, and you should get lesson from that story. I want to share something with you because beautiful things are really want to share something beautiful and most beautiful creativity with you because our channel gives you a beautiful stunning ideas for home decor and home decoration. So this year keep crafting, keep doing something different and beautiful and full of creativity. May your home fulfilled with love, creativity, and craft. So, beautiful viewers and subscribers, have a very nice and beautiful good day. God bless you all. Take care. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful good day. Keep crafting, keep enjoying, keep making something amazing and beautiful. Thank you for your amazing response. Allah Hafiz. In a small mountain village, there lived a young girl named Mira. She lived with her father in a tiny wooden cabin. Her father worked long hours carving wood to earn just enough for food and firewood. Christmas was near, but there was no money for decoration, lights, or ornaments. Still, Mira believed that Christmas should feel special even if it did not look fancy. One morning, after a quiet snowfall, Mira put on her worn boots and stepped outside. She carried a small basket and walked in the forest behind her home. The forest was silent, and if the world was holding its breath, snow covered the branches, soft and white like nature's own blanket, and there, beneath the old pine trees, she found pine cones. But these pine